Hello everyone, it's Moses from Zaatar Gardens. Here's Lulu and Shant.
I'm making a mine actually.
He's making a Minecraft mine.
No, it's just a mine to get diamonds and gold.
A mine to get diamonds and gold?
To mine them.
To mine the it's a mine, not a blow up mine. Good.
Oh, get off of here.
Hey Lulu.
So we can be rich.
So we could be rich, you're mining for diamonds and gold?
No, you're gonna mine because I can't.
I'm gonna mine?
Yeah, because I'm not strong enough.
Oh great, more work for me in the garden. If you guys remember a previous video about a Fuyu Persimmon tree, I planted a early Alberta peach. I don't have any yellow peaches, so I planted a yellow peach for my daughter. He got a kumquat over there in the corner when he was born. My daughter's born, so I planted a peach. But my son said he was sad about the Fuyu Persimmon, his favorite tree that he planted with me when he was a baby. So we planted the dead tree in the ground, and Lulu's digging your mine up.
No, that's the other one.
Oh, that's the other mine. So he...
No, it's because I need it bigger so you can go in.
Okay.
That's what I'm trying to do.
So here's the Fuyu Persimmon that sadly passed away. And he said, let's plant the dead tree so we can remember the tree.
I didn't say that.
You didn't, what did you say then?
I wanted to make it so we know how heavy the diamonds or the gold is.
Wait, she's ruining our tree. Wait, you told me you wanted to plant it so you could remember it and stuff.
No, I didn't say that.
Yeah, maybe I thought you said it because I really wanted you to say something like that. Well, darn, what do I have, dementia or something? Well, you don't remember when you planted this tree with me?
No, I can't because I.
You're a baby then.
No, actually.
Or maybe I wanted to plant it so I could remember. All right, say bye, Sean.
Bye.
Say happy gardening.
Happy gardening.
Lulu, say bye. Lulu,
Come on, what is this?
bye.
What is it? Come on. Okay, like, share, subscribe, and thanks for watching, everyone.